Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, and welcome, welcome, welcome to tonight's session where we are looking at business activities that guarantee success in our business. If you get these ones right, your business will run smoothly and it will keep growing and results will keep growing. You'll end up achieving every dream and goal or your why you joined, the reason why you joined the business. You'll achieve all your dreams and goals. If you stick to these basics that we are going to talk about tonight, no matter what situation your business might be in, that problem can be sorted out because it boils down to one problem. If you see that in your business there's lack of sales, the problem is one. Go and check the number of presentations you are doing per day, you are doing per week, you are doing per month. You'll see that there's lack of presentations in your business. When you see that the recruiting is dropping in your business, go and check. Just check the number of presentations you are doing per day, per week, per month. You'll see that are less or are non-existent. If you see that in your business, attendance to events, business events is dropping, don't look far. Go and check the number of presentations that you are doing per day, per week, per month. You'll see that you are doing less presentations. And the lesser the presentations or non-existent presentations lead to all problems in our business. And when you start to identify that, hey, in my team, there isn't much activity or active downlines. I have these downlines who are dragging feet or complaining and have all manner of problems. Every day they are talking about their problems. Go and check the number of presentations you are doing per day, per week, per month. Every problem in your network marketing business or in your Forever Living product business is always linked to the number of presentations. If there's lack of skills in your team, you don't have downlines who are able to present by themselves. Go and check the number of presentations you are doing per day, per week, per month. All these things, they boil down to one problem: presentations. So if you can spend more time looking for opportunities to do presentations and spend more time creating opportunities for more presentations, and you start going to a rhythm of more presentations on daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. If it was sales that dropped, you see sales will start to picking up. If it was recruiting that dropped in your business, you'll see that recruiting will start going up. If that case credit that dropped in your business, the more presentations you do, you'll see that case credit start going up. If it was skills in your business, people who are able to present, you'll see that the more presentations you do with downlines, the more downlines who are able to present, that you'll start developing and you see them maturing and coming to the fore, who are able to do their businesses with or without you. So if it was attendance lacking, the more presentations you do, the more you'll bring in new people who are excited about their dreams, who know exactly their dreams are still fresh in their mind. They know what they want, who will start attending. If it was development that is lacking, you're not producing supervisors, no managers coming out, the more when you increase your presentations, you'll end up recruiting more excited people who are teachable, who are willing and hungry, who will do whatever it takes and start to succeed. I always say to managers, when I talk to managers, if you want to solve the problem of a team that is not performing, go all out on massive recruiting. Bring in new people. Do more presentations so that you can recruit new people. Start working with new people. Don't try to revive dead wood, because you'll only drain your energy. You know, you cannot resurrect someone who's dead. They can resurrect themselves. They can use your motivation to resurrect themselves. But you have no power to resurrect anyone. A person can change if they choose to change. They can use your advice and change, but you have no power to change anyone. You can only train, coach, and support, and then work with the willing. That's the solution to win in a business. Now that we are getting this information, the approach, I know that people are complaining about their teams not performing, their teams not attending. Every leader have those things. On Wednesday, those that were at Step Up, our country sales manager spoke about this. She's a country salesman. She said, I'm a country sales manager. I still struggle with a lot of downlines who join and do nothing. My solution is all-out massive recruiting. I fight to recruit 2 people every month. That's only our country sales manager. I recruit 2 people every month, but my January and February, I always go for more, 5 to 10 people per month, January and February. And I repeat it again, May and June, where I go all out massive recruiting to get at least between 5 and 10 people in 1 month. May and June because of Eagle, January, February because of Global Rally, Chairman's Bonus, they start from January. And then when she repeat the massive recruiting again, May, June, which now she's now focusing more of Eagle, but every month, without fail, she says she brings in 2. Then just at January, February, she go all out on massive to get 5 to 10. And continue with a 2-2, and then May, June, all out massive so that you can get more than 5 people signing per month and go back to a 2-2-2. So that is the solution. So spend more time on that. That's the solution to fix most of your problems about the team, about the case credits. If you can look overall, I was studying our team. A lot of people's businesses have dropped. And then I studied what is really happening. Presentations have dropped. Most leaders don't do presentations anymore. A lot of leaders rely on Zoom. My leaders, Zoom is just an extra tool. You cannot build your business all on Zoom. You need live meetings at houses. I don't know when we had a training. I think, was it for managers? Yeah, managers training on Friday, where the Zoom managers training. I shared with the managers that, you know, we did not produce a manager in a long time after COVID. The first manager after COVID was in Ntatengem. And I said, I did make an announcement early that Soweto will give us the first manager. And I said, ask me why, how did I know that Soweto will give us the first manager? The answer is they were doing a lot of house presentations. Then they gave us managers. And then Tembeka's team came. They had more activities. They met at restaurants, they had trainings, they had presentations. They were sharing with us in the group. And the managers came. Managers were produced. And Mpumalanga came. You saw that every week, these presentations all over Mpumalanga. It is Secunda, it is Middelburg, it is Ochis, it is, what is the other place? I forgot, Baital. it is Betal and what Standard Tone, all those areas work really. There were presentation everywhere, Kumpumalanga. And then managers came. Well, Leslie, then we started having managers. So look at that. So the answer is just there. If you want to produce managers, if you want to fix your productivity. So my leaders, we have what we call 4 cores go forever. If you want to win in a business, you must master these 4 cores. Please check the attendance and see how many of your downlines are in this session. Because it also boils down to this. How many of your downlines attend trainings? How many of your downlines come to presentation Izolo, the product center? How many of your downlines attended with guests? How many attended even when their guests they were not there? That's the sign, my leaders. If your team didn't show up yesterday, you didn't show up yourself, you know that your business is in trouble, because that's the biggest recruiting presentation we have. So even if you don't make it, your team must make it, because yes, sometimes life is life. Certain very important things sometimes come up that you cannot make it, but make sure that your team make it. So this training, we are so blessed and highly favored in our team that we have this kind of trainings. When we leave after this training, you'll see you'll be different. Your energy level will be different. Your knowledge level will be different. But those that are not here, they will be exactly where they were. Though we have these tools in our team. So always check the attendance. Take a screenshot. Who's here? How many of these people are my downlines? Do I have anyone from my team in this list? And then send them a link, screen grab, send them a link, we have a Zoom. And then check when you meet them, do you have a Zoom on your phone? So that those that they don't have Zoom, you have them download Zoom and you train them how to get into a Zoom. Why are you doing that? You are doing that so that your team members can grow in attending these Zoom meetings, and that they'll attend a power hour and learn social media. They'll join, go step up, and get inspired when our country sales manager is recognizing people for their performance. They'll also want to be recognized next time. They'll want to hear their names being called. And then when we have these trainings, they will attend, and they'll be able to train their downlines to attend. And then their teams will grow, because their people are growing in knowledge and skill. So always check your attendance. How many leaders I have in my team? How many lines, not just the number. How many lines? Yesterday, we had lots of our downlines attending. But I still want to know how many lines. Because I might have 10 to 15, we are 50 attending in the team, but I have 15 that come from one league. Or 20, the whole 20 coming from one league. And you might find out of the 50, I have only 4 legs or 5 legs. So it tells me I need to work more. If out of 50 people that attended, it's only 4 legs that were there. No, I need to work more to build more legs, to have a solid team. So, but we'll be training each other about those things. You'll understand them. We talk a lot at the level of manager about those kind of things. But just check your downlines. How many of your downlines are here? It is very important that you want them to attend these trainings. So these are the 4 cores of forever living products, my leaders. If you get these ones right, you are gone. I see I even used a wrong slide, but anyway, we'll use it because it's already here. Our 4 core is about recruiting, not just recruiting, but retention. And then not just also retention, but also productivity and then development. If you get all of them 4 mastered, I saw today, they just launched the 4 core recognition that will be done at the managers convention next year, February. On the 1st of February. The 1st of February, there will be 4 core recognition. There will be a gala dinner in managers convention, Drakensberg. I shared with managers in their group because it affects them. They spoke about this 4 core. They were going to check your recruiting as a manager. They check your ability to retain. Are people coming for the second orders, or they just buy the combo and disappear? And then productivity. How many of your downlines are active? How many are 4cc active? How many are 2cc active? How many are 1cc active? And then development. How many supervisors are you producing? How many managers are you producing? How many incentive qualifiers are you producing? That's the sign of development. Because if you get all of them right, they are interlinked. If your recruiting is not good, you have no one to retain. You need to up your recruiting so that you can have enough people to retain. How do you retain people? You want to keep your people active. That is why I said check attendance. Abantu mabanga attend, they are not going to stay. We have leaders, I believe, in this training who've been in the business for a while. You know, as a leader, if your downlines are not attending trainings, presentation success days, they're not going to stay. Even if they are recruiting, they are selling when they join. But if they're not attending, they're not going to last in this business. They might win short term, but if they're not attending, I guarantee they're not going to last. That is why I always talk about check the participants. How many are your downlines? People that frequent these trainings, you'll see, when it comes to recognitions, are the people that you always see in these trainings. You'll see they are the ones who become supervisors. They are the ones who move on to become managers. They are the ones who move on to qualify for incentives. They are the ones who earn good bonuses as well, because their businesses are growing. It's because they are attending, they are able to teach their downlines to attend. And then because they are attending, they end up learning and be able to do presentations. Because they are presenting, they end up making sales. As they make sales, they start making money. They start recruiting. As they start recruiting, they start making money, and their team is growing. As their team start growing, and because they're teaching their downlines to attend, their downlines start to grow, and they start to retain more people. Yes, they'll have attrition like everyone. People will be leaving. Some people will join and do nothing. But they will have some who stay because they're teaching attendance. And then the more attendance you have in your organization, check productivity. I checked yesterday. Our team generated more CCs yesterday. Why? They were at the product center. They came to the presentation. Majority of them bought stock. Some signed new downlines yesterday because they were at the product center. That's the power of attendance. Because that one is at the product center, and it's also easier while they're still on fire to also place their orders, to also sign their new prospects that they've invited to the presentation. So attendance and productivity are also linked. So attendance, productivity, and development is linked. People who are productive, they're doing presentations, they're selling, they're recruiting, and then they're attending, they're teaching attendance. They end up having a number of downlines who are attending, growing, developing skills, being able to present, doing more presentations, start producing more, making more sales, start recruiting more, and retaining more of their downlines who are attending. And they also start to grow and start to produce. And then when more people are starting to produce in the same team, the more the volume of case credit grows. Ama case credit more cooler, ama promotion ayalandela. Kuphuma ama supervisor, kuphuma ama assistant manager, kuphuma ama manager, kuphuma ama igili, kuphuma bo forever to drive, bo chairman's bonus, bo global rally. Indaba iqala kuphi? le kuma presentation ukuze senze ama-sales, senze i-recruiting, then sifundise i-attendance so that we can retain. So abantu aba-attendayo bayakhula and they are always motivated. They end up becoming productive. Bayenza ama-presentations, badayisa i-product, ba-recruiter. And because baya-attenda, bazofundisa abantu babo uku-attenda. Le genge yabo ebamamelayo that i-attenda iyakhula ngolwazi. And the energy yabo nabo ihlala iphezulu. They end up doing more activities. Then nabo ba-produce, baba nama-sales, bayostoka, baya-recruiter, kungena amakhombo, ama-case credit konke lokho. So the bigger the number of the productivity of the production as a team, the more equipable supervisor, abo manager, and then the incentive qualifiers. So if ufuna 2026 ibe nomehluko ebhizinisini lakho, focus kuma presentations and feed into these 4 core: recruiting, retention, productivity, and development. So sizoyiqula le ndaba ye-4 core because ibaluleke kakhulu ebhizinisini, kungakho u-own alethe ne-recognition, a special award kumuntu oyenza kahle this 4 core. Uyaba recognize le ku-managers convention eloneni. So bo-manager bonke asibhukeni, seyivuliwe indaba yokubhuka. Nama-requirements niwabonile ngale, but just book. Kwamanje ngeke ba-check indaba yokuthi what. Babhuka anyone oregisterile bambhala phansi, bamregistara. So sizoxoxa kodwa ngale ku-managers meeting kulokho, ku-managers group nama-training. So indaba ilana, my leaders, mawufuna ukuba nama-case credits etimini yakho, ukhipha ama-supervisor, ukhipha ama-manager, di-qualify ama-incentive. Sales, kumele kube nama-sales, kumele kuthengiswe etimini. Ama-sales bakwethu is all about ilona, ama-presentation. Recruiting is also about presentations. Development is also about presentations. Then kuzophuma bo supervisor aba strong. Ube ma team are strong, kuzophuma mawuna ma supervisor are strong, uzo producer ama manager are strong. Because umsebenzi wenu ulona usekelwe kuma activities. Umsebenzi weteam yenu ama-activities we-business kakhulu ama-presentation. Makufika kuma-sales, ma-diamond, sengikhulumile. Presentations. Funa udayisa i-product presenter. Whether uyenza ama-one-on-one presentation, whether uyenza ama-group presentation, home presentation, umema abantu kuma-presentation emakhulu. If uzoba nama-sales, always speak to people about the benefits of the products. Uzowayenza ama-sales. Mawenza ama-sales kungena imali. Sebenzisa ilona. Number 1, idla i-product yakho, my leaders. Idla i-product. Because mawungayidli i-product ngiyakutshela, ngeke ube ne-confidence nge-product yakho. Into yenza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-confidence nge-product yakhe ukuthi uyayisebenzisa. Ibalulekile kakhulu ukuthi usebenzise i-product ukuze ukhone ukuyidayisa because ukhuluma nge-confidence. Then social media, ngakutshela ngiyadumala mangibheka ama-status yama-downline wami lana sometimes. Uthola umuntu ufake ku-status sakhe ama-joke. Ithule powerful kangaka, ufaka ama-joke. Or ufaka amavesi amanye amade, wazi bathi bayavilapha kufunda. Akekho uzofunda lawo mavesi amade. Angisho ukuthi ungashare ama-belief wakho, but le nto i-powerful is a powerful tool to build your business. Uthola umuntu akasheranga ne-post e-1 e-related nomsebenzi wakhe, i-business lakhe, but ufuna impumelelo lo muntu. So leaders asiyilungiseni leyo. Every day posta ku-social media platforms zakho. Sebenzisa i-story, status, laphana ku-Instagram, laphana ku-Facebook, laphana ku-WhatsApp, laphana ku-TikTok. Posta ku-wall yakho every day, faka something kwi-wall. Ibaluleke ngendlela esimangaliso. These things are free, but they're powerful tools. Zithena abantu abayisebenzisa effectively to millionaires. Mawukhona ukwenza ama-video clips, yenza ama-video clips. Ama-video ayadayisa bakwethu. Yenza nje 30-second video, 15-second video, 1-minute video. That's sufficient. And post. Ingaba ngebusiness, ingaba just ukumotivate, ungaba ukutrainer, poster every day. Uzobona i-community yakho izokhula. Do product launches. Leadership ukhona lana, let me see Diamond because besiyenza i-launch yakhe yokuqala. If ukhona yeah, Stembile Zonda. Oh, hey, wakhona ku-unmute our leadership. Please, if you can, please unmute and share ukuthi ihambe njani i-presentation yakho. Bekayenza i-launch yakhe. She just joined some 2 days ago. Or 3 days ago. Angisakhumbula ujoyine nini. Wednesday or Thursday. Today bekayenza i-launch. Diamond Sithembile, if ungakhona ku-unmute ushare labantu i-presentation yakho ihambe njani. Iyo le nkosikazi bekakhuluma ngayo. Hambe kahle kakhulu. Uyenza ama-sales. Unabantu abathembisa ukujoyina, abazojoyina maduze. Unabantu abazojoyina maduze. Uthengisile, unabantu abaphume bayalanda imali emakhaya. Kunalaba bamnikeza ama-date ukuthi kumele adeliver nini, ini nani. Kunalaba basafuna more clarity ukuthi ba-add more products. Base bazi ukuthi bafuna nani, bafuna ama-additional product kumele ayoxoxa nabo because besixoxa nabantu abaningi. So singakhona ukunikeza 100% wonke umuntu. So abanye sayoxoxa ba-add more orders. Angiboni ngathi akakhona uku-unmute lapho. And then sponsor wakhe akekho la. Angiboni ukugcina because naye bekakhona. But anyway, let's continue. So my leaders, ama-launch ane-power kakhulu. Ngisherele ngimasicala ukuthi ngaba umprofeti ngathi ngo-2024 Soweto izosinikeza imanager yokuqala, not because bengumprofeti, because bengibheka bebayenza ama-launch amaningi. They were doing a lot of presentations ezindlini. So I know ukuthi ama-presentation amaningi kanjalo alandelwa ama-credit. Nokuthi i-team yakhula abantu bayajoyina, nama-sales ayakhula abantu bayathengisa. So if kukhula ama-sales ne-recruiting kuzokhula ama-case credit. And the more kuba nama-presentation amaningi, the more udevelop abantu abakwazi ukupresenta noma ungekho bazosala bayapresenta bayaqhubeka bayakhula. Then it's inevitable kuzophuma ama-supervisor. Makuphuma ama-supervisor ulandela ama-manager. Akuna secret. Ama-results alandela ama-presentation, my leaders. And then marketing material, even marketing material. Yazi to do contact marketing, yazi to have events. Kuhamba nge-transparent bag. Uthwele ama-product akho ngebheke ukuthi transparent, abantu bayakhona ukubona. Uma msikubi uyawathengisa lawo mabheke. Nalapha ne-product center kunokubona abanye bawathengisa. Lama bheke ya-transparent. Sitholela ibheke lakho. Ibheke lona liyakuxoxela nabantu. Abantu abayazi i-product bayakumisa mababona le product yakho ngaphakathi. Bakubuze ukuthi hey, le product uyayithengisa leso nayo. Leso imalini. Because a lot of people bayazi i-product yakho forever. Abanye bayazi nokuthi yenzani bayifunda kuma-TikTok. Kunabantu abafundiswa nge-product kuma-TikTok. And then to have pop-up tables. Ube netafula lapana, ubeke incwadi yakho la display ama-product, and then ube nama-pamphlet lana, abantu baze etafuleni lakho uxoxa nabo banikeza ama-pamphlet, uthatha ama-contact wabo, abanye bayathenga, abanye ke uthatha ama-contact zowenza ama-appointment yobenzela ama-presentation. These are the activities our produce ama-result, my leaders. Yebo mhlawumbe ngeke wamastere wonke, mara akube ne-2-3 or 4 owayenza consistently. Owaziyo ukuthi ngiyadayisa mangenza lawa ngiyarecruiter and then angisiza nge-retention abantu bahlale bakhule etimini yami, yangisiza nge-productivity ukuthi kube ne-productivity, yangisiza ngoku-recruiter, retention, productivity and development, the 4 core. Mawungabamba le 4 core uhambile Diamond, lama activities azokusiza ngo 4 core yakho. Funda kwenza i-one-on-one presentation, ukhulumile nkosikazi ngama one-on-one. Mina ngiyawayenza ngama-clip, ngiyawayenza kuzama kwenza every day, khulume nomuntu ngimthumelela i-video. Sesiqalile i-conversation ye-business. Abanye they are coming back, abanye ngenza i-follow up, ubhekile akakabheki, ngiyamkhumbuza uzoyibheka nini, ngizokufonela kenza i-follow up. So that I'm always interacting nabantu engiba introduce ebhizinisini ngale clip ye video ye 13 minutes engihlala ngisharela yona. Ethi ngifune ngizoyishare egroupini futhi ukuze nazi lamathula engiwasebenzisayo. I always share. Bengikhuluma nobani ngayo, I know that I did send even today. Almost every day we said that ngikhuluma nabantu before angivele ngithumela kubantu randomly. Ngikhuluma nabo kuqala before ngithumela that video. Then ngibathumelela yona and then ngiyabafonela to check ukuthi na uyibhekile yini. You see, ngishareile lapha egroupini ne-message yakhona ngithumela nayo. Hi, I hope you are well. I'm sharing a short 13-minute video with you that explain how ordinary people are building better health and extra income through the Forever Living product business. In this video, you will learn about improving your health naturally, uncapped performance-based income, car incentive, global travel, time freedom, being part of a positive growth-minded community, chairman's bonus, a 13th check for top annual performance. Please watch it with an open mind. If it speaks to you, we can chat and see if it is a good fit for you. No pressure at all. Here is the video. So ihamba nalo message. Mara ngithumelela umuntu sengikhulumile naye, besixoxa ngamtshela ukuthi ngizokuthumela a 13 minutes video. Angiveli randomly ngithumelela umuntu. Lo muntu engithumelela usuka expectile ukuthi kune video ezayo, so that ngizokhona noku follow up. Ngisharile lapha egroup I'm sure senitholile. So ama activity work recruiter my leaders. Okunye sorry before siphuma kundaba yama product, build a repeat customer base, follow up, check your old customers, make phone calls, send messages to old customers. This is what amazed me. Mangifonela ama customer wami on about 2 months, 3 months bangathengi. They are always saying was bengisathi ngizokufonela, but ngazi kahle ngamhlophe ukuthi bangeke bangifonele if mina angifonanga. Bengizokufonela ukuthi ungideliver, but ngiyazi they were not going to do it. They are saying that because sengibafonela. So leaders ningayeki ukufonela ama customer wenu niwa-check. Noma sana 3 weeks, 4 weeks or 4 months angathengi, 2 months angathengi, they will always place orders ngoba usomfonela. Makuza kundaba yoku-recruiter, it's not different from saying same thing. Sebenza nge-list. Have that 2-quire notebook. Who do you know list? Ozoxoxa nabantu ngayo. Fonele abantu kuleya list. La uhamba khona ucollect amagama abantu namanamba, angena kuleya who do you know list yakho. Besikhuluma ngayo Monday, kuma Monday, most Mondays sikhuluma ngayo who do you know list ku ilona onboarding training. Wonke umuntu kumele abe ne-notebook la ubhala amagama abantu namanamba phone. Ungarely efonini nokusave amanamba abantu efonini bakithi. because ifoni ziyalahleka, amafoni ayacrasha, amafoni ayafreeze. And umuntu mamsave efonini akusilula ukuya kuye umthole futhi mawungalazi igama lakhe. Wakhohlwa igama lakhe, ukhohliwe nokumthola. Thina sinama 1000 yabantu emafonini wethu, ama contacts. Mhlambe mawunabo 100 you can scroll uzofika egameni lakhe umkhumbule. But thina bama 1000 yabantu efonini, mawuqala nabo 200, 300, 400, 600 people on your phone, ungafika nasegameni awusakhumbula ukuthi uye nali igama uyalibona because unabantu abaningi, ukhuluma nabantu abaningi every day. Kuba nencwadi ukusiza lapho ukuthi abantu bakubangena encwadini. Noma ikhona efonini yakho but usencwadini, ubhaliwe lapha encwadini nokuthi umtholephi, nikhulume ngani, into ekukhumbuza ngaye. So who do you know list yokusiza lapho, or name list. So kala make a list of people you know, family, friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and everyone in the is a potential partner. Anyone that you meet is a potential business partner or even customer. Most of our who do know always kala 100 names. It could be cool. Lamalanga kuthiwa futhi kala 200 names. It could be cool. Every day, khetha laba uzobafonela ke to contact. Reach out with care, confidence via phone calls, WhatsApp, email, or face-to-face. We have invite labantu kuma presentation. We have an appointment. Nabo ukuthi okay sine Zoom kusasa, join up with Zoom, or else asenze appointment sizohlala phansi sibonane ngokubonisa ibhizinisi, or ngizokuthumelela leya 13 minutes video. Or Saturday siye product center or siya kuphi kuphi. Baleka kakhulu. And then uyohlala nabo ubabonise ngepresentation leya. Either umenzele i-1-on-1, hlala naye phansi umpresentele nge-1-on-1. Bakwethu ngishareile i-link yokudownloada i-PowerPoint. Ngizoyishare futhi lapha egroupini. Iya-expire if uyitholile le link is PowerPoint. Akusiyona le PDF, PowerPoint uvele uyifake laptopini yakho ukhona ukupresenta ngayo. So downloada ube nayo efonini yakho. My labs, you are writing on my screen, I keep deleting. So very, very, very important. I did send, I don't know who was I sending today. Very, very important. Kizoshare futhi egroupini ngoba ayikaka expire. Le PowerPoint le ma presentation bell. I didn't anything. There we go. Ngishareile i-link yakho uvele download uyifake ku laptop yakho. Uyifake ku laptop yakho i-PowerPoint presentation, ama slide last presenter ngawo. Wonke umuntu kumele anabe nawo ku laptop yakho, tablet yakho, or iphone yakho, ngone screen esikhulu. Abanye bethu siphathanyana amafoni angathi amakhulana, uyakhona ukwenza i-presentation kulama screen amakhulu. That's how you'll spend more time doing presentation ama one-on-one. And then invite abantu bese product center izolo. Bonke bebe inviteile abantu baphume be excited. Abanye baphume namakhombo. Ngicount abantu abawu 3 oku-announce ukuthi bathenge namuhla amakhombo wabo. Hayi 3 or by 4. By 3 angathi by 3. Bathe bafike izolo ku presentation bathenge izolo ama-books wabo. That's how powerful their presentation it as a product center is. Action. Mumuntu wakajoinile bakwethu ungamyeki. Hey, alena yona labona lama training yamande siwayenzayo. Ya or ilona i-orientation or else i-onboarding. Hilas trainer kakhulu lama basics yokuthi kunani phakathi kwale strategy combo. Yini into ezibalekile kumele aziyenze lo muntu oqeda ukujoin. Kodwa ufanele uattende nawe my leaders, ungathi mina sengiyazi. Ngina more than 18 years nyenza forever manje. Mara ngisa attend ama onboarding. That is why ngikhona ukutrainer. because angizitsheli ukuthi ngiyazi. Ngiyabheka noma ngingakhonanga ukungena live bayarekhoda ngisho bayishare ku YouTube ngiyongena. Angibhekanga yakama-Baby Shaka Manchankura, but ngine-link yayo ngizongena ngibheke i-recording. The more ubheka ama-training amaningi, the better you become as a leader and as a trainer. I consider one of the best trainers forever. I consider myself to be one of the best trainers, though it's not just me. A lot of people tell me that. Ngazi nami ngayikholwa. Ngicheka ama-results wami, ngicheke i-product yami. Ngempela there's something. Check about the ability for our team to present and how effective their presentations are. Most of the product center presenter team to check our presentation way to they are always full. Why? Izolo bekune presentation eGermiston, bekune presentation eMidrand. Zonke lama meeting aduze nathi. But akekho obene attendance efana yethu. Yes, thina futhi ne advantage ukuthi se product center. But I'm telling you, people always tell us how unique our presentations are. Abantu laba bebe Midrand baqale lapha kithi. Abanye bebe eGermiston baletha ama guest wabo kithi kuqala. So, lokho kuyakutshela there's something we have as the Millionaires Club team. The product date is very good. Your ability to present is impressive and it delivers results. And bazakutshela angeke ubhoreke kulama presentation wenu. Ninendlela yenu ukwenza ukuthi umuntu abe excited throughout the entire presentation. From iqala, akuna part esithi siyabhora. Khuluma i-company history is exciting. Khuluma product is exciting. Show marketing plan is exciting. Umuntu share story sakhe is exciting. So that tell you we are very good in training and developing good quality. We just need to up our recruiting, get more people to train. You'll see. So the recruiting journey is exactly what you just spoke about. Simple steps, real conversations, life-changing opportunity. Who do you know list? Contact, show. With those one-on-ones, those WhatsApp presentations, those launches, do presentations, and then sit down with those that join. Set goals, plan, start doing presentations and launches. So, my leaders, yonke into i-anchor why wakho. The anchor is your why. If your why is not strong enough, my leaders, uzoyenza makumnandi, uhlale mangasimnandi, uyeke my team yakho iyeka. But if your why is strong enough, you don't care. Abaya join, bayathenga, bayoze bajoin. Baya join, abayeka, you don't care. You'll keep recruiting until you get those that will see it for what it is and run with this business and win. You'll be teachable. You'll do whatever it takes if your why is strong enough. Usebenzelana. I always share with you, mina nonkosikazi manje sebenzela to acquire income generating assets, to diversify our investment portfolio. Langshele kona kune chart on my site. It lists multiple sources of income. Social media business. We want to be strong on social media. Forever business, right at the center. Training business. We want to monetize our training. We train. We'll end up coming up with an idea where we can monetize our training. We want to invest in stocks and bonds. We want to go into transport. We want to invest in gold and cash. We want to invest in oil and gas. We want to invest in mining. We want to invest in farming. We started already in farming. And then we want to invest in retail income. It is there on my chart. It is there on my presentation slides. My presenter, after I share our Ilona bio and why we joined Forever, the next slide, setting multiple sources of income. I tell people that I present to, this is what I'm working on now. First reason for joining was to make extra 3,000 rand for extra income. After that, it was global travel. We have achieved all those. Now we want to diversify our investment portfolio. The money that we are working for now is to make sure that we see chairman's bonus so that we can invest in these things that are just listed now. So my leaders, if your why is not strong enough, uzophephuka lula ngomoya, uzwa ukuthi kwenzakalani ebhizinisini lakho. Mabantu aba-attenda uzokhuthala, mabanga-attend uzo-give up. Abantu mawuthengisa i-product uzokhuthala, mawungasathengisi ngeke ukhuthala. Abantu mabajoyina uzokhuthala, mawangasajoyini ngeke ukhuthala. So, but if you know why, always was, besifuna 3,000 sitholile, besifuna ukutravel umhlaba, we are traveling the world now. Now, sifuna ukwenza imali serious. Yes, we wanted to go full-time at some point. We're now full-time in the business. So now we want more big checks so that we can invest in businesses that will continue paying us, whether sivukile siyasebenza or asisebenzi. We'll see ukuthi nabangani bethu sishomelana nabantu abayenza lezi zinto esifuna ukuzenza. Ifamily yakaMachet, you'll see that we have their slides. In our presentation, we have their slides. It's not just about the people we are presenting to. We are also reminding ourselves our why. So next slide, Sagamamu or Roslyn Club with a 25-room guest house. It's on our presentation, but it's not just about the presentation itself. It's also reminding us about our why. That is why we have that slide, who presentation here to say multiple sources of income. Yes, you present us about what is possible, but also reminding ourselves about our why. So our why is always ringing in our forehead. That is why we are not affected much. Yes, it does affect us. We must team negative or about perform, but it never demoralizes us because we have this big why that we want to fulfill. And then we have a big slide. Our biggest why is our family. It's in our slides. My presentation, you'll see that these things that I talk about, they're there. After company history, we'll get a slide. Our biggest why is our family, to give them the best experience. Why? We are telling the people who are presenting to that we must need to have a strong why, but we are also reminding ourselves. Then there are multiple sources of income. It's in our slide. We are telling our guests, Uguti, our prospects, having a big strong why is very important. Always you must be working towards something. Don't work haphazardly. Abantu babona basebenza today, kusasa bahleli. They don't have a strong why. Upushwa ama emotions. If your why is strong, my leaders, I'm telling you, you are not pushed by emotions. Sometimes you are feeling down. Upuma ufila down. Abona must be at Cape Town. Sabamba ini flu. Ngoba bekubanda linetha Cape Town must be ekhaya kwaba ne cold front. Ngiye ku managers meeting on Friday yakhona sibuye Monday from Tuesday bese court. So we spend a week in Cape Town. So Tuesday, where I flew years, because have Valley Product Center. Wednesday, it was flat down. Mabavula, was it Thursday or no? Thursday, Mr. Product Center, or Friday, Mr. Product Center. People flew in zip. It just hasn't got my product in your. Otherwise, if my why was not strong enough, I was not going to be there. Saturday, there was something else. Best presenter, or training, Albertine. I was there. Training. Bengiphethwe iflu enye enzima yokuthi if my why was not strong enough, I was not going to be there. After training, I drove back home. Mangene egarage ngalala, egarage because imoto beyifuthumele. Ngalala. Ngitsho kupapa me after base bazochecka, ngitsho kungena umoya obandayo endlini ngoba igarage livuliwe. Ukhona uye wafika ovula umnyango wasegarage. Yiwangiphaphamisa lo mnyango. Kwaba khona ngivuka emotweni ngiyovala igarage ke ngilokho ngingena endlini. Ngalala from that day. Sunday yakhona ngiyenzanga nix. Sleeping because ngingenwa amakhaza kuma training from managers meeting kuyo stock a Friday, millionaires day Saturday, ngingenwa amakhaza kwaba worse. So my leaders, if your why is strong, ngiyakutshela uphuma ugula uye emsebenzini uyakha ibusiness lakho, uphuma kungekho mnandi. Lelo Saturday bekunomngcwabo kumakhelwane wethu. Saturday yona le training bekunomngcwabo kumakhelwane. Sishiye imoto zibhakile la ngaphandle. Masibuya abanye bebapake nasemnyango wasegarage. Kwamele bafune basivulela umnyango singene. If you ubheka such things, kuba ngathi these people are heartless. Kushoniwe kumakhelwane abekho baye ku training. Kanti ngapha nokugula ngiyagula kodwa ngiyethi ku training. Ngiye ku managers meeting. It's your why. So makuphela unyaka ngithola i-profit share, ngiqualify i-Global Run, ngiqualify ilona igili. Forever to drive. It's not an accident. It's all these sacrifices that you need to do to make in order to win. It's only a big why a push abantu ukuthi bayenze such commitment and take such level of action. You need to have a very strong why, my leaders, to win. Yonke lento besikhuluma ngayo izoba lula if your why is strong and it's always in your conscious mind. It's in the forefront of your brain. You are thinking about your why all the time. Put up reminders. Put up reminders about your why. Now, among presenter, you'll see lento bengikhuluma ngayo. Because mthambe beunga understand ukuthi why ama-slides wami ale ndlela ayiyo. It's about presenting, but also reminding me of my why. That is why we keep pushing kumnandi, we keep pushing kunzima. Then that is why we're able to get the results that we get. The beauty is, if you are doing the work, the results will follow. Sometimes ungasebenza ngathi akunama results, but if you are consistent, lo msebenzi bengathi awunama results, akhona ama results azolandela emuva. Yomsebenzi oyenze kudala ungazanga uproduce ama results ngesikhathi wayenza. There's nothing that you do in this business that is in vain. Kunama results engiwathola manje, mara umsebenzi wakhona ngiyenza ngo-2023, 2024. Eminye ngiyenze boma 5, 6, 7 years ago. But ngithola ama results manje. So keep putting that effort, keep doing those activities, keep attending, keep doing those presentations. But yonke into i-situation onayo business lakho is a solver ama presentations. So leaders, any question, anything to add? Just unmute and go ahead. Ufuna ukubuza, ufuna uku-add, you can just unmute and go ahead. Sinayo nombuzo, sinayo ufuna uku-add. Sisibusi. Babungema. Okay.
Hi, leadership.
Oh,
sorry, saying unmuted.
Okay, awesome.
At the beginning, we couldn't, bese siyaqedelela leadership. ama-prayer wethu ne-fasting, so we couldn't be active. But
Oh, okay.
besizwa yonke into kade uyikhuluma, so ngiyaxolisa ngalokho. Ngicela nje ukuqala nje laphayana ekuqaleni i-feedback, nginike i-feedback for the last week training that esinayo. We are doing thina ama-presentations awami personally nonkosikazi Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And recently, iMonday besiyenza ekuseni, so kunama-presentation lanko adlulile, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, both in all three of them, 1 or 2. The maximum of prospects that attend are 3. Abadluli ku 3 new prospects in all those 3 presentations. But siyazi ukuthi masiloku siqhubeka inamba izokhula. And then on the Wednesday presentation, I think lekade yenziwa uwe leadership in a team. There's a couple that joined in there. They didn't even tell me ukuthi they joined a presentation. I only found out yesterday. On Wednesday night. Sorry, on Thursday night when I did a presentation again, and they said, no, we actually joined Wednesday. We just couldn't let you know to join it, but they're interested. Tomorrow we are meeting them along middle, long middle. So we're going there. And then we product igubhu ziphelile besekusele nje igubhu ezifew ziphelile igubhu. And then recruiter, yeah, leadership. No, I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but I recruit, in fact, and I follow up. It will only be people that decide to join. But I know this is delayed gratification. And then we also decided ukuthi abanye masikhuluma nabo ma-presentation, they told us ukuthi no, abekho ntambama abekho nini, masinikeza ama-excuses, but they said they are available during lunchtime. So we already started manje, starting from tomorrow, we'll have lunchtime Zoom presentations, lunchtime room presentations at 1 going forward. So that's our feedback. For the training, I've heard and I've jotted down ukuthi nothing will happen until you recruit. Lento lena maloku ikhulunywa ukuthi replace people whilst they are still there. Kuba ngathi siyadlala and kuba ngathi kuyadlalwa, but this is very, very true and it's painful. And when umuntu mazokhuluma leadership ukhuluma ukuthi when as a leader you're not doing anything in your business, not per se nakusho ukuthi i-leader is-supervisor, a-manager or any other level. Anyone osegroupini is a leader. And when kukhulunywa ukuthi awenzi lutho, akukhonjwa wena. No, akukhonjwa wena, kukhonjwa ibhizinisi as a whole. So don't catch feelings ucabanga ukuthi kukhulunywa ngawe. Kukhulunywa as a business as a whole. And I mean, I've learned something. If kukhulunywa ngento and I mean I catch feelings, kuba ngathi kukhulunywa nami, kusho ukuthi there's something wrong that I am doing in my business. So thank you for that leadership. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu leadership. Thank you so much for sharing your feedback and also sharing some tips. Leadership Thembile.
Hello.
Yes, yazwakala.
Hello.
Hi.
Yebo.
Yeah, sharele ilona kuhambe njani i-presentation yakho? Usharela abanye namuhla i-launch because it was our first launch. Ngingakubiza earlier masicala ukuthi basharele ukuthi during the presentation ukuthi kuhambe njani kule launch yakho ya today.
Okay, askisi baba earlier bekuyi-network iyahlupha ngapha, but ke I think seyibambile manje. I-launch ihambe kahle. Ngithanda ukunibingelela wonke umuntu egroupini. I-launch i-presentation ihambe kahle kakhulu, and ngibonga nje nokuthi ngenze ne-sale khona lapho. Yeah, i-presentation, it was very good. Yazini, and like sifunde okukhulu nami nje ngifunde okukhulu nje nabantu they were very happy. And yeah, it was very, 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 very productive. And we did made a sale as well. So sibonga nalapho. And then kukhona nabantu abayi-2 abopromisile ukuthi nje they're gonna join. So mina njengoba ubaba bekashilo ukuthi ngithathe inamba and write i-number zabantu. So mina what I'm gonna do, I'll do follow up with those abantu laba abapromisile, and then obviously nama sales nakhona I will call and then just to do a follow up nami tomorrow. So yeah,
Awesome.
the presentation, the presentation was very, very, very productive, and yeah.
Wow, congratulations, congratulations. And we had more also potential orders zama product. Labo
Yeah,
afuna
definitely.
other days. But abazowathatha in the following days. So well done, well done, well done. If you maintain these kind of presentations, you'll see more big things will follow.
No, definitely I will. My
As a
leader.
Valley supervisor, kule nyanga, as Valley supervisor.
Ngiyogijima iviki lokugijima leli ngiyophelelwa
Noma kanjani.
isicathulo.
Noma kanjani. Thank you so much.
Yebo.
Sisibusi, siyabonga kakhulu leadership. Sisibusi akatholakali namuhla. Sisilindi Nyakeni. Ngiyakubona lapho. Mawukhona uku-unmute, unmute. And then okay. Wanolande uMamngema uyakhona ku-unmute, ngibona uMamngema ku-list yami after Sisilindi.
Angeke akhona leadership.
Oh, no problem. Awusinari Kobe. Hey, Ngwaneshu.
Le kae?
Rona le kae?
Rona re sa geresa mo. Batho ba na ba tseleng. Mara forward I go.
A re pushe
Ha
Ngwaneshu.
ona mo ke boela. Every day I make sure ke attend the presentation ke kry idea so reng le o tsamaya jwang. Le la ba re ke babes a machankura at least lona encourage gore is true wa tseba gore o sa thoma gore batho ba ya ka mo bangwe ba ya ka mo, but I think I'm going to be on the right way. I told my daughter, hey, o dile marketing, can you come and help me to market online, because now ke bona gore physically batho ba change so that ke kgone go marketa mo bathong ba ba sa ntsebeng.
Power hour Ngwaneshu. Power hour itshwere ditools kaofela. Ele ya between 12 le 1 mosegare. Re o ra kgone go tsena recorded, di a recordwa. O ka kgona go di kry-a o Facebook page ya forever ya training. And go
So
through it.
ke attendile ka re I1 mara between 12 and 1 re na le di-meeting le rena ko mmerekong.
Oh yeah,
So
no.
but
Join a group ya Facebook gore kgone go no ya o itirela o le tee. A kere batla ba tseba go botsa di ya ka mokgo tsama o dira. Re tla boya after 5 minutes. Le wena tsa 5 minutes o dira di-activity tse. O tlo ba wa master.
Okay, lebo.
Well.
Thank you.
Thank you, my leader. Okay, Sister Zuma. Nayizolo futhi sikurecognizile lapho wathola nebag yakho kuya eHong Kong.
Evening leadership and evening all the leadership on the platform and all the FBOs. Thank you very much leadership. Siyabonga opportunity enisinikeza yona and the growth. Siyabonga, all thanks to you. Siyakuthatha konke lokho enisifundisa kona ukuthi siyoku-applya siyezwa ukuthi fanele sihambe kanjani ukufanele nje ukuthi siyo-implementa, and thank you for my present. Kufanele isebenze, akufanelanga uphele lo nyaka ingahambanga ndawo ku-trip yaka forever. So lokho kusho ukuthi umuntu ufuna asebenze ngokuzikhandla to qualify ama-incentive.
Yeah,
Izokwazi
sephumile i-date managers convention Drakensberg.
Ila
Nibilalila i-date isephumile namuhla.
Ila siyakhona 31 to 3 February, 31 January to 3 February, so bese Drakensberg ila siyakhona.
Awesome. Mawuza i-product center kumele uvele ubhalise. Reserve
Yes.
space.
Ngizoba njalo leadership, I'll do that. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Phumi. Esibali uwe lapho Phumi ne? Unmute mongathi uyakhona ungaphazamisa abantu. If you can unmute, unmute.
Yebo, sanibonani.
Sawubona Sibali. Abazi ukuthi
Yebo.
kunesibali la.
Yebo.
Kuhamba njani eloneni eBinoni lapho liyahamba ibhizinisi?
Ya, liyahamba lona nje. Kancane kancane kodwa siyathemba ukuthi kuzawulunga.
Noma kanjani futhi mawusoloko attenda lama trainings bali akujiki. Ngoba uyafunda uyahamba uyo-apply.
Hey.
Number one. Abaphile lapha endlini.
Yebo, hayi. Hayi bayaphila la endlini. Hey.
Number one. Ntate Mphahlele ke tsebe ka mshomong na o ka gae. O ka kgona go unmute. Le ra go khona o ka lekgweng. Awa le gona re tla kwishisha go bothata.
Ke a leboga the engineer. Ke a leboga. Diamond ke a le dumedisha le na le boshodu ke re. Batho besho ke a kwala ntate Segodi.
Ha botsana fela.
Ke a leboga. Ya go boima re a leka batho ba gesho.
Ga go le ka ke mo
Join
time go share.
Regi win airtime yena, I felt like I'm a multi-millionaire. Wo ka re ke swere lefatshe ka moka. You know, that's a small gesture just we did under this body. You are motivate. So really ka batho ba gesho. Regi fetsa gore go signa motola. I wish nka ba le gona mo jwale o khathile gore ya gore o shetse ka airtime ya WhatsApp ka data ya WhatsApp fela. Really ka mane ka kgona go bona maloba gopola ke go founela ke re ke kgoditse punchare ge re fetsa go tswa ko Alberton. And ke tlile ka bomo ke tseba gore le tire ya ka ga e right. Ka no ra tswa keng modimo ke ena a tsebang gore o tla diragalang. Because re bone business ene re nyaka go le rena re fihle mo ba bang ba fihlile re be re fete re fihlelle mo ba bang bona ba fihlileng gona. So go boima but maikemišetšo ona e sala mantši kudu and ke a dumela gore go tla kgonagala. Mantswe a ntateng ke mafetsang go a bolela gone jalo gore ba recruiter ba bang ga ba tsene, ba bang ba tsena, ba bang ba nyaka ba ba presentele ka nako e itseng. Yes, ke dilo tse le re gahlana le tsona batho ba bolela le bona gabotse maloba bile maabane e be ke gopola gore maybe kolo ya ka re kenyane e tlo tla e tletse but all of a sudden batho ba fa di-excuses so mare ke dumela gore le tla fihla letšatši mo e le gore everything e tlo ba unlocked then
it is unlocked already. Rena le K2 tsedi le tšhelete ya go joinisha itsedi e setse unlockile ba tla ba latela back to back
ya re a leboga and then ka presentation ya product sense and that is good ke rata go gata mo mantswe a gago mo gatileng gona gore we've got the best presenters ka mo millionaires ka mabana was worried ke fele e ke dutse mo la pele mo la maramala ka o sa fele kwa morago ke lebelo gore e nta tenge mo tla tsena banna a tla re sware ka ntwe ka product nta teng gane me Zuma gona ka mo me Zuma gona a wa ka yona le yena thiba space sela even though I'm replace mara o no thiba space ntate nkema ba tlo ba as occupied but re a leboga kudu ntate segodi and le rena one day me Zuma mabane ga a leboga sponsor apply and le nna I was like you know one day ke tla ema mo la pele mo la ke re ntate segodi le mme segodi ke a leboga gore le ntšhe ka gare ga situation ke be ke leng ka gare ga yona so yeah re mo tseleng and go all the time mo ntse ke re bafowetso let us not go back this is the business ntate segodi fela bolela re you have been praying o re o nyaka breakthrough so this is the answers modimo re file di-answer tša ka this business ke a leboga.
Thank you so much re lebogile go tla ba bjalo ngwaneso o tla ema ko pele o leboga di-upline le di-sponsor le di-downline ka moka le di-cross line go tla ba bjale Xolani, if you are able to unmute Xolani Powe.
Sanibonani Diamond ntambama.
Sure.
Hayi siyaphila kakhulu leadership. Hayi. Sithanda ukubonga mani kakhulu. Lama presentations asifundisa ekuningi kakhulu. We tend to take izinto esisifundako and adapt to them. Kona njengoba sekashilo ubaba umphahlele ukuthi it's not that easy but consistency is the key because now you seem like ukhulume nomuntu kudala so uzumkhohliwe loyo muntu then uba surprised you find i-WhatsApp yomuntu then akuchazele ukuthi endoda sibhizi especially nje kulele viki I think ngizoba ne-presentation kamasipala. I've been summoned by I think 3 nyane ama-officials because bathe bazobe be-3 or 4 so iyathembisa yona kakhulu so iyakhombisa ukuthi njengoba ushilo leadership ukuthi into oyenzile way back i-pay off in due time ayingeke ikhombise ama-results now because at the end of the njengami mina vele bese ngibakhohliwe those people bafuna ngizobapresentela bazowazi more ngebhizinisi so ngakhuluma nabo kudala but it seems like kani babuya kimi manje so wonke lezi zinto nisifundisa zona zisebenza and uma uzi-apply really there's results so siyabonga kakhulu lezi.
Siyabonga kakhulu Xolani ya kufanele urecord ama-activity wakho ukuthi ungabakhohlwa ukhona ukwenza i-follow up nokuba nama-broadcast ne uma ubapresentele bane-interest ebusiness ubafaka ku-broadcast ye-WhatsApp yama-potential customers then nama-customer ubamixe labathembisa i-product labathengayo bayaku-broadcast yama-customer then ube ne-broadcast yama-prospect laba bathembisa ukujoyina ubapresentele bathembisa ukujoyina or abathembisa uku-attenda ama-presentation bangene kule ama-prospect hayi ngeke ubakhohlwe wazi ma ufuna ukukhuluma nabantu ufuna ukufollow up abantu bangapha ku-broadcast yama-prospect bakujoyina labo labangapha ku-broadcast yama-customer yilaba abama-customer nalaba bathembisa ukuthenga so uyohlala ucommunicate nabo waya
Okay leadership, thank you.
siyabonga kakhulu Mamthandi Powe. ngathi wokugcina engibonayo ungakakhulumi.
My leader ngikhulumile kube yimi oqala engikhulumayo. Siyabonga kakhulu leader, siyabonga man. Siyabonga nje vele okubalekile ukuthi senze my leader, akukho kunye ukubekezela, sichubeke silalele senze ngalendlela esifundiswa ngakhona. So mina ngiyabonga kakhulu njoba ngishilo ukuthi ngifunda kakhulu every day, kuba another thing eyenzakalayo kade sometimes unganaki ukuba nale presentation osifundise ngako after kube na something ejikayo engqondweni yami, ngabona ngelinye uluso elisheshayo ukuthi okay akusinzima ukwenza. Into enzima yilokuthi njengoba ngichaza last ukuthi uba nayo lento ukuthi ufuna ukwenza bese ngathi kunalento ekuhlebelayo ukuthi no musiwena 1 2 3 awuqualify wena, uyayibona. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi indlulile lento le, nokukhuluma nomama waseNelspruit kungisize kakhulu my leader. So awazi nje enhlizweni nami nje ngathi angazi ngayenzani, ngenze nje yonke into but ngizoyenza yonke into.
Uyayenza nawe ama-presentation ngiyakubona almost every second day une-presentation yiyo ifihlakalo yempumelelo leyo.
Mina ngibonga nje ukuthi uzinike isikhathi nami uzohlala nami phansi. Ngiyabonga my leader, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngathi singaba nama-leader wonke anakekela njengawe, yazi baba. Siyabonga kakhulu, kungisize kakhulu Shema, ngifuna ukungasho. So siyabonga kakhulu baba, siyabonga uNkulunkulu asigcinele nina mndeni wakaSihoji.
Awu siyabonga, siphusheni, sifuna ama-diamond lana azophatha ama-check la kuphuma igubhu zigcwala i-screen bathi hayi kusokuphela ispace kodwa igubhu khona sasakhona.
Hayi siyeza baba, siyeza ngathi siyakhawunta nje iminyakanyana nje, siyasondela baba.
Noma kanjani.
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much. Leaders, thank you for joining tonight's session. Indaba kuma-presentation. More presentations, more sales, more recruiting, and then attendance ikusiza nge-retention. The more abantu ba-attend, bahlala ba-motivated, and then uzo-retain most of them because the production yakhula, productivity yakhula, and then man ilona futhi i-development. If abantu baya-attenda, kukhula i-production, ne-development izokhula. Abantu bazongena kwa-supervisor, baye kwa-manager, ba-qualify ama-incentive, forever to drive, Eagle manager, and then babe ma-sapphire, ma-diamond sapphire, babe ma-diamond, bangene kubo-chairmans, bonus, bo-global rally, baze babe ma-GLT. So indaba ilaphana kuma-presentation. As long as unama-presentation, uzoyibamba i-4 uzo-recruiter, and then uzo-retainer, kuzoba ne-productivity, then i-development. So sibonge kakhulu. More presentation. Inyanga yaphela Saturday. Last day enyanga is Saturday lesiya kuyo. So kusho ukuthi sevikini yokugcina. Managers nazi ukuthi igili iqalile, pushani. Ngiyakhumbula imigomo yethu ye-igili. Ungaphumi lapha ku-igili. Because ezinye wamisa one out. So asingavumi, asiyenze more presentations ukuthi siphampe more CCs kule week, sijoinise more people kule week. Abangena kwa-supervisor, Diamond Sithembile, Diamond Tebucho, akuphutshweni kakhulu, kuvaliwe kungena kwa-supervisor. Thina abanye sigijimisa amanye ama-incentive nama-move up asenzeni njalo i-last week lena ukuthi yonke into mayihlangane. But imfihlakalo, ama-presentation. Enza sure, plan more Sunday. Plan a more presentation awako now my downline throughout this week, and then Sunday sa reviewer plan amasha more presentations and more attendance. The most we will win, and then Sivala Saturday, Sivala the month with a bang. Thank you so much and good evening.